Alright, so there is a new Hshop update. You do not see that often, but there is. And in this update, we have some stability fixes, bug fixes, all of that. Let's just go through with that first. It's called 1.5.6. That's the new update. And here it says exactly what it does. Add ability to search by unique ID. Pressing A in the search menu when the search bar is empty or its contents are invalid will now open the keyboard corresponding to the current search tab. Improve app version update check process by correcting parsing and comparing version numbers. Displaying appropriate errors when the latest app version cannot be determined. Improve search tab switching logic by correctly pressing the input for both numpad/text inputs. Fix base title not installed warning when the base title is pressed as an inserted cartridge. Fix base title not installed. Fix potential bug where disconnecting from Wi-Fi would cause 3DS to hang when exiting it. Remove delete unused tickets option. And remove the app must be restarted in language setting description, as that is no longer the case. So yeah, it does fix some things, bug fixes, all of that. And now I will show you how to update it. So first of all, what you're going to do is make sure you are connected to the internet. Let's just go on to the internet. Internet settings, connection, boom, connection test. And you will of course not need a PC for this. That was just to show what the fixes were and all of that. Good stuff. Boom. Internet is very good and fine. Now I can just close out of here. And then we can just open Hshop. There we go. Hshop, open that. Now just give this a second here. And boom, do you want to update to 1.5.6? You just press confirm. And this will then update the app. Now just give this a second. Oh, I have 15%. And boom, that is done. It will then exit it. And boom, there it is again. Now you can just open it. And there you go. Now you are on the latest version of Hshop. So, thanks for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe. More updates coming soon. There's also a new Luma version, which I will throw up here. And if you want to stay updated on Luma versions and Hshop updates, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.